Welcome to Tech Tips by Amherst County Public Schools Technology Support Group. In today's tip, we're going to demonstrate My Private Files and blocks using Moodle. We have our Moodle site loaded, and the address for that is moodle.amherst.k12.va.us. We'll need to log in. And so the username and password will be the same as what you would use to access your county email. Put in my password of puppy dogs and log in. And so we see my Moodle site is now loaded. I have my navigation block on the left hand side, and inside of the navigation block we have my home, which when you click that will give you a quick overview of the courses that you are assigned to, whether you're a teacher or a student. Those courses will show up here in the middle. So you can see I'm assigned to Testing 101 FN. And then on the right hand side you see My Private Files. And this is the block that we're going to focus on for today's demonstration. We click on Manage My Private Files. And just quickly, you can imagine being able to upload and save files to the server is a huge advantage. What this is going to save is you having to save files to a flash drive and then access, do the work at home and then save it to a flash drive, bring it to school, and then potentially losing your flash drive or having it get corrupted or something like that. So being able to upload your files to the server and being able to access them anywhere, anytime is a great advantage. The other advantage is once you've uploaded these files, you can choose to share those files with your class. And so we're going to see a demonstration of that today. So here's the screen. We can add or create a folder. And so just a quick note, you can be as complicated or simple as you would like to be with this. This is your filing system. So if you are very detailed in the way you create your directory structure now, so you can be as detailed here. For example, if you create a folder for every class that you have, and then inside that folder you have another folder for Word documents, another folder for images, and another folder for tests, you can be that detailed online. Or you can simply just upload a bunch of files. It's how detailed you want to be. This is your site. Use it as you want to do it. So here I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be somewhat detailed. I'm going to go ahead and create a folder. I'm going to call this Earth Science. And so we can see the folder here, but one item of note, the folder does not really exist on the server yet. This is basically showing you what it's going to do after you hit the Save Changes button. So if I were to navigate away and then go back to My Private Files, the Earth Science folder will not be there, and that would be because I did not click Save Changes. So I'm actually going to go ahead and navigate inside this folder, and I'm going to add a file now. And the way we add a file is we click Add, and that's going to bring up our file picker, and we're going to concentrate on Upload a File. So we'll want to browse, and you'll want to browse to wherever your files may be. They could be in your documents, they could be on a flash drive, they could be on one of your servers there in your building. So anyway, we're kind of expecting you to know how to get to your files. So here's the file I want to upload. I want to upload my syllabus because I'll be sharing that with the class that I'll be teaching. So I chose, clicked on that file, and then we're going to choose Upload this file. And so now it's telling me it knows it's a Word document file, and there's the name of the file. We're going to add the second file that you saw there, and that's How Rocks Are Formed. And we'll choose OK and upload this file. So now we see the two files that I've uploaded. I'm going to create yet another folder. I'm going to call this Images. And I'm going to navigate inside there, and now I'm going to show you how you can upload a bunch of files at one time. So I'm going to browse, again, upload files, browse, and inside my Earth Science image folder, I've gone ahead already and created a zip file that contains 3 or 4 images of different types of rocks that I'll want to be able to share with my class and be able to put on my website. So I'm going to choose that zip file, and right now we're assuming that you know how to create a zip file. If not, don't sweat it. We're going to do another video to show you how to do that. In any case, I'm going to click open, upload the file, and so now we see the file is there. That doesn't do you a lot of good because you want to be able to access the individual images that are inside that folder or inside this zip. Really simple. All you do is the image to the right. We're going to click on that, one left click, and there you see unzip. See, it's smart enough that it knows that that zip file contains other files. I unzipped it, and now it's showing my igneous rock, my metamorphic, and my sedimentary rock. And then I can come through and clean up and delete the zip file because we don't need to waste space. And so there are the images of the different types of rocks. But again, keep in mind that even though it's showing me my folder and files, they don't exist on the server until I hit Save Changes. I can tell you now, this is definitely going to mess some of you up because you're going to upload it and then you're going to navigate away and you're going to forget to save changes. So when you call me and tell me that you uploaded your files but they're not there, I'm going to ask you, did you click Save Changes? So make sure you click this button, Save Changes. And when you do, it's going to navigate back to my home, and we can see now the changes that took place when we uploaded or we created that folder. There's a folder inside there. There are the documents. So I can expand the image folder. So now, hopefully this is a quick demonstration of how to manage your private files inside of Moodle. Thanks for watching.